Many people struggle with navigating the SBB mobile app. This can lead to missed connections or confusion about travel plans. Today, we'll simplify your experience with the app. By the end, you'll confidently use the SBB mobile app. First, download the app from your app store. Open the app to a user-friendly interface. You'll see options for tickets, timetables, and service updates. Now, let's start with purchasing a ticket. Tap the Tickets option. Choose your departure and arrival stations. Select your travel date and time. After that, pick the type of ticket you need. Next, let's look at the timetable feature. Tap on the Timetable icon. Enter your journey details. The app will show you train times and platforms. You can also save favorite routes for quick access. Don't forget about the real-time service updates. Tap on Service for alerts and disruptions. This feature keeps you informed during your travels. Finally, let's explore the app's settings. Access your profile and set preferences. Customize your language and payment options. This makes using the app smoother for you. To summarize, you can now purchase tickets easily. You also know how to check timetables and get updates. Lastly, the app settings allow for personalized experiences. Put your new knowledge to the test today. Download the app and start exploring. You'll enjoy your travels much more. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy traveling!